Friends, today, welcome to my mathematics class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is application of trigonometry. You people are very much familiar with the word trigonometry and all the ratios of trigonometry. Today we are going to learn how we apply this in our daily life. Okay, let's begin our topic, today's topic. Yes, let's begin. If a person is looking at an object, then the imaginary line joining the object and the eye of the observer is called the line of sight or a ray. This is called line of sight or a ray. If a person is looking at an object, then the imaginary line joining the object and then eye of an observer is called line of sight or ray of view. Always the imaginary line parallel to the earth's surface and passes through the point of observation is called a horizontal line. That means this is the horizontal line. This is the horizontal line and this is the line of sight. Okay? If the line of sight is above the horizontal line, then the angle between them is called angle of elevation. Angle between them is angle of elevation. In simple words, I'll say, अगर हम नीचे से कोई चीज़ ऊपर देख रहे हैं, नीचे से कोई चीज़ ऊपर देख रहे हैं, जो एंगल फॉर्म होता है, that is called as angle of elevation. अगर वो टेक्स्ट बुक के डेफिनेशन को छोड़ दिए तो इफ नीचे से कोई चीज़ ऊपर देख रहे हैं, द एंगल फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. ओके, एंड इफ वी आर सीइंग फ्रॉम द टॉप टू द बॉटम, कोई टॉप से हम कोई बॉटम को देख रहे हैं, द एंगल फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन. एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन. अब हम मैथमेटिकल टर्म्स में इसको कैसा पढ़ेंगे माँ? आपको मालूम है, if a person is looking at an object, then the imaginary line joining the object and the eye of observer is called line of sight. This is the line of sight. If the line of sight is below the horizontal line, it is called angle of depression. In simple words, अगर हम कोई चीज़ ऊपर से नीचे देख रहे हैं, the angle formed is called angle of depression. That's it. आपको इतना definitions और इसके concept से सिर्फ आपको concept समझ लो, what is angle of elevation and what is angle of depression, that's enough. Let's start our today's exercise. It's a very easy exercise, very easy exercise, and it's for 4 marks. Compulsory one question will come of 4 marks. Let's begin. Exercise 12.1, first question. A tower stands vertically on the ground. From a point which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. This is the tower. It stands vertically on the ground. From a point which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. This is 15 meters. The angle of elevation, हम नीचे से ऊपर देख रहे हैं, तो नीचे से ऊपर is what? Angle of elevation. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 45. This is 45 degrees. What is the length of the tower? Diagram is compulsory. Diagram and description about the figure is compulsory. In 1 or 2 problems, I will be writing the description about the figure. Later on, everything will be there in the PDF. Directly you copy from that. Let's label the figure A, B, C. आपको फिगर के बारे में लिखना ज़रूरी है. AB is what? Height of the tower. AB is height of tower. AC is what? Distance between the foot of the tower and the observer. AC is distance between foot of tower and observer. Angle of elevation of the top of the tower is what? Angle of elevation is Angle of elevation is 45 degrees. See, writing of figure is compulsory. You have to draw the figure and you are going to write about the figure. In 1 or 2 problems I am going to write about this, and later on I am not going to write because videos बहुत लंबे हो जाते हैं. It takes much of time. Directly I am going to do the substitution work. आप लोग PDF से लिख लेंगे. ठीक है? What all is given I have written here. Yes. Now look at the figure. Look at the figure. In a triangle A B C और ACB, in a triangle ABC और ACB, आपको क्या दिया हुआ है माँ? एडजेसेंट साइड दी हुई है. ऑपोजिट, आई होप यू ऑल रिमेंबर, आपको पता होगा व्हाट इज कॉल्ड ऑपोजिट. दिस इज थीटा, सो दिस इज ऑपोजिट, एडजेसेंट एंड हाइपोटेन्यूस. यू ऑल रिमेंबर दिस, आई होप, क्योंकि आप लोग एग्जाम भी लिखे, 2 टेस्ट लिखे इसके ऊपर. Okay, so this is, we have to find the opposite side. Adjacent is given, we have to find opposite side, theta, opposite to theta. हमको ये वाला find करना है. Adjacent दिया हुआ है, so we are going to use the formula tan theta. Tan theta is equals to O by A. Tan theta is equals to O by A. That is nothing but tan theta की जगह हम क्या डालेंगे? 45. Tan 45 is equals to O is what? Opposite to theta, opposite, that is AB by AC. Tan 45 value is 1. 1 is equals to AB by AC. हमको कितना दिया गया माँ? AC is 15. Cross multiply, AB is equals to 15 meters. Therefore, height of tower is equals to 15 meters. It is very easy chapter, very easy chapter. Let's move to the second question. Yes, second question. A tree breaks due to storm. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree, the distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling. See, this is a tree. This is a tree. Due to storm, it has been broken. यहाँ से टूट गया, and this touches the ground, and the top part touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees. Okay. Making an angle of 30 degrees. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree is 6 meters. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree is 6 meters. You have to find the height of the tree before falling down. हमको इसकी height find करना है, यानी हमको ये वाली height है हमारी इसकी before falling, this प्लस दिस, क्योंकि ये वाला हिस्सा टूट गया, यहाँ से टूट के यहाँ पर टच हो गया. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड? वी हैव टू फाइंड, लेट लेबल इट A B C. ओके, C is the point where the tree has been broken. यहाँ से टूट गई, but we have to find the tree before falling. So that is AC plus BC we have to find. AC plus BC we have to find. चलिए, let's write about the figure. AB is distance between the distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree. AC plus BC is the height of the tree before falling. Okay, this we have to find. And what else is given? AB both we have to find. For in a triangle ABC, angle of elevation is given, that is angle ABC is equals to 30 degrees. ये दे दिया हमारा. एंगल BAC is equals to 90 degrees. आपको पता है ये 90 degrees है. ओके, एडजेसेंट दे दिया हमारा. फिर से देखें हमारा, दिस इज व्हाट? ऑपोजिट टू थीटा. दिस साइड इज व्हाट? ये थीटा है हमारा. दिस इज ऑपोजिट टू थीटा और ये एडजेसेंट. सो विच फॉर्मूला यू विल बी अप्लाइंग? मैक्सिमम कभी भी हाइट या डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है, तो tan इस्तेमाल करना है. दिमाग में बिठा लो मारे छोटे छोटे हिंट्स. हाइट या डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है तो यू आर गोइंग टू यूज द tan फॉर्मूला. इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड हाइपोटेन्यूस का कुछ क्वेश्चन रहा, लाइक स्लाइड्स, मेनी क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर, दैट टाइम यू हैव टू यूज sin थीटा और cos थीटा, एनीथिंग. सो tan थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent, that is tan 30 is equals to AC by AB. tan 30 value 1 by root 3 is equals to AC by AB. आपको दिया हुआ है हमारा AB is how much 6 meters, that is 6. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके AC फाइंड कर लीजिए वहाँ. So AC is equals to root 3 AC. Root 3 AC is equals to 6. AC is equals to 6 by root 3. We got the value of AC. अब हमको BC फाइंड करना है. BC is nothing but hypotenuse. मैं भी आपको बोलिए कभी भी हमको hypotenuse फाइंड करना रहा तो हम साइन या कॉस कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. आप विश, इट्स नथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट. Consider triangle. Again we have to find hypotenuse, so we are going to take sin theta. चलिए cos theta is equals to कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, sin theta cos theta. adjacent by that is old Henry and his a by h. cos theta is equals to, आपको याद होगा a by h. cos theta is equals to a by h. सो cos थीटा के बदले हम क्या डालेंगे, हम cos 30 इज इक्वल्स टू ए. एडजेसेंट इज हाउ मच 6, हमको भी आया एडजेसेंट इज 6 बाई ए. h इज व्हाट BC. cos 30 की वैल्यू क्या है हमारा, cos 30 इज cos 30 root 3, hope you all remember this, root 3 by 2 is equals to 6 by BC. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो माँ. BC root 3 is equals to 6 to the 12. That implies BC is equals to 12 by root 3. We have to find the height of the tree before falling, that is AC plus BC, height of the tree before falling. So AC answer we got it as 6 by root 3 plus 12 by root 3. Add it up, like fraction है root 3 16 17 18. Now rationalize this. आपको पता है rationalizing ये 9 से पढ़ते हुए आ रहे थे. 18 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 1s are 3 6s are 18, that is 6 root 3 meters. Therefore height of tree before falling is 6 root 3 meters. Now let's move to the second next question. A contractor wants to set up a slide for the children to play in the park. He want to set it up at a height of 2 meters. This is the height of 2 meters, making an angle of 30 degrees. I hope you all know what is a slide. Slide is फिसलवंडा आप लोग के झूलों में. Making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. What should be the length of the slide? इसकी लेंथ आपको फाइंड करना है. हाइपोटेन्यूज फाइंड करना है. कभी भी हाइपोटेन्यूज फाइंड करना रहा तो साइन और कॉस लेना है. Okay, if the height and distance is given, that time you have to use the tan formula. Let's label the figure A, B, C. I said you writing about the figure is very important. AB is the height of the slide from the ground. AB is the height of the slide from the ground. AC is the slide. This is the length of the slide we have to find. And angle of elevation ACB is how much? 30 degrees. To find the hypotenuse, we are going to use the formula sin theta. Sin theta is equals to O by H, old Henry, O by H. So in the place of theta, what we are going to use? Sin 30 is equals to, this is your theta, so this is your opposite and this is your adjacent. That is AB by AC. Sin 30 value 1 by 2 is equals to, AB की वैल्यू कितनी दी हुई है हमारा? 2 by AC. Cross multiply. AC is equals to 4. Therefore length of the slide is length of the slide is 4 meters. This is all for today. Have a good day. Bye.